Hey guys, I just woke up and I'm gonna start my morning routine. So, yeah, let's go. First step, wake up. Second step, brush out all my tangles. All my tangle-angles. Tangle-angles. Well, after I eat breakfast, I'll brush my teeth. So I'm gonna, how about I toast it? They're way better toasted. I'm toasting it, okay? So, I'm gonna watch the toasted right now. Gotta throw this away. Sorry if it's kind of bad quality. Let's take a look deep down. Well, I might as well get my plate ready. Stupid me. And today, I'm gonna make my bed and everything before I brush my teeth. All that crap. I'll just sit here and watch Home Alone for a while. First timer. Deja vu. I hate when I get deja vu. I used to get like 5 every day in math. There it is. Super hot. Can't do it yet. Can't get it yet. Oven mitt. Super hot. I got it with the oven mitt. I'm sorry if I didn't film it all right. I usually just pick it up so that me lady cute laugh and I eat in my bedroom. So like this is my layout. And then I'm gonna make my bed after this. Nice. Not that hot. Good. Delicious.